These past three episodes have really made me appreciate Renner as Clint. He absolutely nailed the scenes where he is without his hearing aid, especially the phone call with his son. He really does capture the idea that we are watching the most human of the Avengers, a normal guy without any power or a suit of armor. Jeremy Renner is a really solid actor. Between not having a ton of screen time and being a less flashy character, I feel like we haven't been given the chance to really appreciate him. Three episodes in, and I'm loving this show and the chemistry between Haley and Renner. I'm really hyped to see episode 4 cause I think Yelena might show up. That's it from my side, you all are amazing, and here is the reaction mashup.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Come on.
I can't deal with anxiety like this, guys.
Oh shit!
Christmas music.
Is this Sugar Plum Fairy, bro? This should fucking slap.
Oh shit, are we gonna
Yes.
Alright, camera works ridiculous.
Oh my god.
Is this Children of Men? What are we watching?
Yeah.
Hey, this is sweet.
I like it.
This is amazing.
Could still be a winner.
That's a VFX shot. That commentary is VFX.
It for sure is, but it's pretty damn good.
It's good. I like it.
Yeah, it's really good.
We need more of these kinds of shots in Marvel.
There was a great Twitter thread that our buddy Travis Crucial posted about how people talk shit about CGI when it's like actually everything has CGI. This is a visual effects shot.
Yeah.
We're out of the regular
People would
era.
be so surprised if they knew how much David Fincher uses visual effects.
Are they doing this? This is not CG.
Oh, there's a shot, Hector. You tweeted about
CG.
This is sick. No, bro.
This is really well shot. I really like it.
That was a cut.
really well shot.
Bonnie jizz.
Is that Ivan Ooze? She unleashed Ivan Ooze?
That makes sense.
You don't need to label
He's just like, yeah, whatever.
I picked point where I hope you don't kill anybody. I can't really do much.
Seriously, what was that?
She can't hear you.
Look up, bro. It's running.
He's gonna flee
Always
out
wanted
of
to
the
do this
car.
too. Throw a car into reverse and There's keep somewhere we going.
Oh,
can go to get
Hector,
training to
cars
do this,
have
guys. I'm really
regulators. You
down.
can't go more than
No.
5 miles an hour.
I want to do more archery.
I'm overly
Oh my god, she killed them.
She committed double homicide.
Killed them.
Yeah.
No, they
It was
got
self-defense.
Killed those guys.
Did they? Okay.
Yeah, your friends are dead.
Just like Dominic Toretto, you have to destroy the regulator so you can go fast in reverse, bro.
Yep.
Oh god, what's this one?
It's a timed explosive, I guarantee you.
Oh, wait for it, wait for it.
The tractor?
Maybe.
Hey, what's the
Hey, lethal weapon homage right there.
Was he crazy? Was he crazy?
Alright, she was just trying to get hit by a tree.
Spiderweb. That's
These
amazing.
guys need to give it
It's
up.
gonna be their car's gonna fresh piney fresh.
Stop by Christmas.
Pobrecito.
I like you waving flag.
That was so funny.
She could really hold on to that car just sitting there.
Oh, that chapter's awesome.
New York City holiday season. I'm sorry.
You need the traffic.
This is a good chase scene. I'm digging it.
Yeah, it's really good. It's
Oh
fun.
hell.
Please don't ruin the bridge. Please don't ruin the bridge.
Scratch the panes.
Yeah, the scratch the
Don't watch
car.
Cloverfield then. This bridge gets taken out.
Bye, Pedro.
I thought they were.
I just got my notepad.
Oh boy.
You gotta be some kind of a
Gonna
detonator or something for that.
And get caught.
Hey, you're rich by another one.
crazy purple knockout gas.
Or Ivan Ooze. That's Ivan Ooze gas.
That can fix it. Is it a charger or challenge? Yeah,
Oh, it's a challenger. I don't know.
Challenger is totally.
Too many people there.
But I like how the gas and the putty.
Dude, are you shitting on me?
Clint
traffic
does
surge.
know how to brand himself.
She's a future Marvel hero.
Are they still?
Clint's gonna go and finish him headshots.
Crash into us.
Trust a bro. Just trust a bro.
Love it, he's straight.
This is cool.
How'd you get the trees off,
The
man?
dual arrows.
Shoot up!
He's gonna ricochet off that one. That is a normal arrow, right?
How's that
Like a tracking arrow to
Look at
hit
her.
you.
That's awesome.
What am I supposed to do with this?
They're subsidizing Kim particles now.
The USB arrow literally came. Get the fuck out of here.
So many arrows.
City that there's no such thing as crystal.
He can't hear you.
Oh, there's
She got it. She got the
Avengers
slow-mo
shot.
turnaround.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Oh, literally.
I need a Hawkeye video game now. This versatile, you know, it's so fun.
The suction cup arrow is literally just a suction cup.
When your toilet's clogged.
Your mouse's toilet.
Thank you.